Hello, my name is Izaskun Jimenez-Serra, and I work at the Astrobiology Center in Madrid. And I would like to invite you to my seminar, where we will travel to interstellar space, and there we will review all the recent discoveries of complex organic molecules of prebiotic interest. These molecules, we believe that they may have been involved in the first processes leading to the origin of life. And among them, what we have detected recently with our astronomical observations, very deep astronomical observations, is that we can find precursors of sugars, amino acids, phospholipids, and proteins. So as you can see, many of the building blocks of life, of the basic ingredients of life, form already in interstellar space. So they could have been incorporated later on to planetesimals, and then they could have arrived to the surface of Earth during the period of the late heavy bombardment. So this has important implications, not only for the origin of life on Earth, but also for the possibility of life emerging in not only in other bodies in our solar system, but also in exoplanets. So if you want to know more about this topic, please come and join us, and we will be happy to have you there. Thank you.